When I first saw it sitting on the side of the road, it was in pretty bad shape. I figured it'd take me about 5 years, time and budget, to get it all restored back to a point I'd be satisfied. About 2.5 years into it. Got a long way to go, but it's coming along. Tested and or replaced almost every sensor on the entire engine. Tested every circuit. Most of the ground wires have been either cleaned up and replaced. Fixed the horn, fixed the lights. All new brake system front to rear, all new brake lines. New master cylinder, new booster, new alternator. Little things like the belt, new air filter, all new shocks, all new suspension, anti-sway bar bushings. One of the things I have left to do is I've got to replace the entire power steering. I'm going to put a whole new power steering pump, reservoir, hoses, everything on it, because it does leak. It's a new battery, of course. Come a long way, got a long way to go though. It'll fire right up on the first turn of the key. About 2.5 years into it now. I'm just coming along pretty good. A lot of work. I figure I've got about another two or 3 years left to finish everything. Rebuilt all the door panels, temporary seat covers until I get leather. New speakers front and rear. New headliner, I doubt you can see that. New carpeting all the way around. Rebuilt all the interior lighting. All the door panels.